Welcome! Are you ready to boost your Instagram game by creating eye-catching reels? In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create a stunning reel using your Android device. Reels are a fun way to express your creativity and connect with your audience, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the plus icon located at the bottom center of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Tap that icon to create a new reel. Next, it's time to record or upload your video. You have the flexibility to either capture a fresh video right then and there, or choose an existing video from your gallery. Whichever you prefer, just make sure it reflects your personality and content style. Once you have your video ready, it's time to add some flair. Edit your reel by incorporating music, effects, and other features that make your content pop. Instagram offers a variety of options to enhance your video, so take your time and explore them. After you're satisfied with your edits, tap Next. This will take you to the final step where you can add your caption, hashtags, and other share settings before you release your creation into the world. Finally, tap Share to post your dazzling new reel. Your followers will love your creativity, and who knows, it might even go viral. So, that's it. Creating a reel on Instagram is straightforward, fun, and a fantastic way to engage with your audience. Remember, the more you experiment, the better you'll get. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.